If you're experiencing issues with Call of Duty multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve minor glitches that may be causing the multiplayer feature to malfunction. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing issues with multiplayer functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in Call of Duty. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.